Hi, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what an ecosystem is. So, an ecosystem is a system of organisms interacting with each other. For example, a tree. When a tree is fertilized and it is watered with sunlight, sunlight comes down. It gets energy from that. It pollen. It not doesn't pollen. It takes that energy it has and turns it into like sugar, and then makes photosynthesis happen, which is how energy is. That's how the energy turns into photosynthesis, and it turns in the sugar that helps the plant grow. And it's actually good sugar. We actually use it in our food. It's this different kind of sugar that gives you energy and helps you grow sometimes. So something also is there's habitats. Habitats are an important thing. Is something very important about um, the ecosystem, and because it shows that like how animals live and how they interact with others. Like sometimes in a habitat they'll eat food, other times they'll drink it. They'll get essential things they need to live, and most of the time it will be eating each other. Sometimes it will be eating plants, food, and even other animals. Even that, no, that's sad to say, eating other animals. But that's just how the food chain works, which is also a really big part of the ecosystem. Because let's say a tiger eats a bird, and then that the tiger dies. That bird also gets decomposed and turns into soil, because most of the time in the wild you can't really like pick it up, or it will be eaten, and it like keeps going on. Like that animal, if it ate that tiger, it will go, and if it's not eaten it will decompose, or if that animal's eaten, it just continuously goes on and on. And then there's a niche, which is how some animals eat, live, and sleep, and it's like it's a lot of the time it's two certain animals, or like animal types, like fighting for territory. The definition is actually a carved out space. So like even an example is when you're fighting with your sister and brother. Let's say you want the TV. You'll kind of like fight, and whoever wins kind will get the TV. Not like physically fight, but kind of like complain over it and then find a way about who would get the TV. And a big part of the ecosystem is energy. Energy is it helps a lot. If they didn't have energy in the ecosystem wouldn't really work, because the ecosystem is based off energy, and energy powers everything that really happens in the ecosystem. Like I was saying, that example of a tiger eating a bird, it's powered by energy to be able to eat that bird, or go after or chase it or something. And the just for the living things, almost the definitions of them are biotic, which is living things, and abiotic, which is not living things. So if you were like a tiger is a or any animal is most of them are biotics. But let's say they run into a um, river or something. That's a ibiotic, because it's not living. It is moving, but it's not sleeping or in any way energy wise. It's caused by like friction or something else, not energy. And um like in a for living things, um a lot of living thing, almost every single living thing needs food to give energy to other things and get energy, and that's how food and energy. If you don't have that, if you don't have that in your,
keep recording. That's fine. But
if you have,
get yourselves out when you're done.
If you don't have food or energy,
Okay.
it's really hard. You can't really make an ecosystem, like make an ecosystem or ecosystem work.
Except
and
actually, kids, we lose the card at recess.
That's
and we
how
switch to
the
the
ecosystem works.
After recess, so it's not that easy. I'm sorry.
And that's my definition of the ecosystem.